received a gift from Prada and I could not wait to share it with you. We got a massive bag. Okay. Guys, are you ready? First things first, we got a frisbee! This summer I'm gonna learn because this is so freaking fabulous. Do we agree? Love it. Then it says, enjoy your Prada tropical summer. In here we have a bunch of stickers, some kind of like beach bags. This I love. Look at this tote. There's a tote and there's a towel, a Prada towel. But can we discuss this? Hello. This is going to be my summer bag. That's not even it. There's more. Pair of sunglasses. Let me see. Aren't they fabulous? This is for my phone, which I'll show you now, but I'm filming with it, and it's got a Prada phone cover. Ta-da! This is all I need for perfect summer, so thank you so much, Prada. I love you!